Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove someone from share list on TikTok. Have you ever tapped the share arrow on TikTok and noticed the same people always appearing at the top of the share list? Sometimes you might want to clean that up, especially if you no longer interact with certain accounts. When I first tried to remove someone from that list, I realized TikTok doesn't actually give a direct remove button, but there are a couple of simple ways around it. Start by opening the TikTok app and tapping the share arrow on any video to view your share list if you see a person you'd rather not appear there. Tap on their profile from the list. From their profile page, you can follow them if you're currently following them, which often stops them from showing up in your quick share suggestions. Another option is blocking the account, which completely prevents them from reappearing there. If the name still shows up afterward, try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling TikTok to refresh the app's data and reset the suggestions. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.